Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today the culinary expedition is in Uganda. On tonight's menu is Chickennat. Chickennat is a flavorful and comforting chicken stew originating from Uganda. This popular dish has been a staple in Ugandan cuisine for generations. The dish origins are rooted in West African cuisine, where peanuts and chicken are staple ingredients. The dish is typically slow cooked in a rich and creamy peanut sauce, often served with steamed rice, corn porridge, or chapati flatbread. Chickennat is a beloved comfort food in Uganda. Let's get to the mise en place. Today we're working with ghee, and I love working with ghee. It takes a lot of heat. Got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've already pre-seasoned them with kosher salt and black pepper. And then a whole yellow onion, garlic, ginger, carrots, and the spices are cumin, coriander, turmeric, green cardamom, and cayenne pepper. And we have some chicken broth, creamy peanut butter, peas, and chopped tomato. Okay, I've already added the ghee to the pan. It's melting away. It takes no time at all for ghee to do its thing. We're gonna let this heat up for a few more seconds. I'm gonna add the chicken. And we'll cook this basically on both sides for about, 5 to 7 minutes total time. Okay, nice and golden brown. I'm going to whisk these off to a bowl. Now I'm going to add the onion. And a little dose of salt and pepper. Skippy. Alright, the onions are ready. So what I'm going to do now is add the garlic and the ginger. And we'll just do a quick saute for about 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to add the spices. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. We want the spices to bloom. Doesn't take long. Smelling good. I'm going to add the carrots. Okay. Carrots are basically done. Now I'm going to turn up the heat and add the broth. Now that I've got the broth in, I'm going to add the peanut butter. Just heat a little bit. I'm going to whisk it in. Getting all that fond off the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to reintroduce the chicken. Yeah, let's put those juices in there. Yeah. I'm going to just kind of flip them over a couple times just to get them nice and coated. Now this, we're going to bring it back up to a boil, and then it's going to simmer on low for 40 minutes. And here we go. Okay, it's been 40 minutes since the dish has been on a simmer. Oh, the kitchen smells wonderful. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, yummy. That beautiful golden brown color. Now, we're going to add the peas. And the tomato. Let's get that all stirred in. Add a nice splash of color. So we're going to keep this on low and on the simmer, and we'll warm these through and cook these veggies for about 5 to 7-ish minutes. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes. Yumminess. Love the colors. Again. Okay, this is basically done. Now to my next step. Here's the chickennat, all plated with steamed white rice. I used the veggies and the gravy for the bed for the chicken thighs. I'm going to add some cilantro. You can also use parsley with this. And here's Ugandan chickennat. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, my international herb and spice blends, t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.